to learn English, our chance to get ahead. It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. All day long, all day long, all day long. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Light a flame, light a flame, light a flame. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. It's our time. It's our time. It's our time. Our time to learn English. Our chance to get ahead. Our time to learn English. Our chance to get ahead. Our chance to get ahead. Our chance to get ahead.
Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today I'm so happy as we are going to start the last unit of Standard 7, Unit 5. Me too. Children, now open page number 54. Unit 5, Me too. Activity 1. I'm going to read the instruction. Please listen it carefully. Activity 1. Play the fixed answer game and where is my answer game. The teacher will help you. See the helpline. Students and teachers, have you remembered we played the same game in first sem Unit 2 Activity 4. તમને બધાને યાદ હશે પિંકી બેને તમને આ રમત રમાડી હતી. એ જ રમત આપણે અહીંયા પણ રમવાની છે. Now let's move ahead. Me and my family. Activity 2A. Listen and read.
I'm sure you know many things about ants. Let's know more about this tiny, hard-working and intelligent creature. Look at the picture. What are the ants doing? They are talking. Do they talk? Yes. How can they talk? They touch their feelers or antenna and pass messages. Watch a row of ants. Each ant touches other ants with feelers. We always see the ants, but we don't pay attention to them. Where do they live? In comfortable homes, nests, or anthill. Each anthill has many rooms and passages. Other rooms are nurseries for the young ones. Workers have their reserved quarters. The workers search and fetch the food into the anthill. Some rooms are storehouses for food. Soldiers have separate barracks. Soldiers do not go out searching for food. Workers, soldiers, or cleaners do not harm young ones, the grubs. They never fight with other members of the group. So ants' life is very peaceful. તેથી કીડીઓનું જીવન બહુ શાંત હોય છે. કીડીઓની રાણી લગભગ 15 વર્ષ જીવે છે. It lays eggs. Eggs are hatched and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them. Workers feed and clean them. They also carry them for exercise and sunshine. Some other creatures live in the anthill. They are beetles, smaller ants, and green fly. Why do ants keep these creatures in their home? For many reasons. Some for pleasant smell. Some are just pets and are playing like our cats and dogs. Others give sweet juice. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk. They milk it just as we milk the cow.
You listen the lesson very carefully.
Now students, let us start with activity 2 part B. First of all, I am going to read the instructions. Listen it very carefully. Find out synonyms for underlined words in A from B. Draw an arrow as shown in the example. Students, first of all, I am going to read all the sentences of section A. Listen it very carefully. The first sentence is, the ants use feelers to talk with the other ants. The second sentence is, creatures are living things. The third one is, look at the row of ants. The fourth one is, there are many kinds of ants. The fifth sentence is, search the exact meaning of the grub from the dictionary. The sixth sentence is, the grubs live in the nursery. And the last one is, workers have reserved rooms. Now students, I am going to read the sentences of section B. Listen it very carefully. There are many types of books in the library. The second sentence is, we can find out the book from the library. The third one is, do all the insects have antennae? The fourth one is, all animals can't fly. The fifth one is, stand in a line and watch what I will do. The next sentence is, students of science have special room. And the last one is, the children are in the baby room. So are you ready for this? Here is the first example. The ants use feelers to talk with the other ants. For this, the sentence number 3 of section B is the correct answer. That is, do all the insects have antennae? So friends, the word feelers means antenna. So the correct sequence is, do all the insects have antennae? Here is the second sentence. Creatures are living things. The synonyms of creatures is animals, which is given in sentence number 4 of section B. All animals can't fly. The third sentence is, look at the row of ants. The synonyms of row is a line, which is given in sentence number 5 of section B. That is, stand in a line and watch what I will do. The next sentence is, there are many kinds of ants. The synonyms of kinds is types of, which is given in sentence number 1 of section B, that is types of. So the sentence is, there are many types of book in the library. The next one is search. See the sentence. Search the exact meaning of the grub from the dictionary. The synonyms of search is find out, which is given in sentence number 2, that is find out. We can find out the book from the library. The next sentence is, the grubs live in the nursery. The synonyms of nursery is baby room, which is given in sentence number 7 of section B, that is, the children are in the baby room. And the last one is, workers have reserved room. The synonyms of reserved room is special room. The synonyms of reserved room is given in sentence number 6 of section B, that is, students of science have special room. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આ એક્ટિવિટી કરવામાં મજા પડી હશે. નાઉ લેટ્સ મૂવ ફર્ધર. The next one is activity C, fill in the blanks. Here is the first sentence. An ant uses its blank to talk to other ant. So the complete sentence is like this. An ant uses its antenna or feelers to talk to other ant. The second sentence is, each ant touches all others coming from the opposite direction by their blank. It's antenna, or you can say feelers. So the complete sentence will be, each ant touches all others coming from the opposite direction by their antenna or feelers. Let's take the next sentence. The ants live in blank. It's ant hill. Now let's take the complete sentence. The ants live in ant hill. Sentence number 4 is, blank spent most of their time searching for food. It's workers. Workers spent most of their time searching for food. Sentence number 5. Blank lays eggs. The correct word is queen ant. Queen ant lays eggs. The next sentence is, soldiers have separate blank. It's barracks. Soldiers have separate barracks. The next sentence is, the ant's life is very blank. The word is peaceful. The ant's life is very peaceful. The sentence number 8. Blank is the ant's cow. That is green fly. Green fly is the ant's cow. Sentence number 9. The ants train the green fly to give blank. The word is honeydew. The ants train the green fly to give honeydew. Sentence number 10. The ants keep some creatures just for pets or blank. It is pleasant smell. The ants keep some creatures just for pets or pleasant smell. Now let's start the next activity. The next activity is activity D, that is tick the correct option. Students, there are 5 questions in this activity. For each questions, 3 options are given. Out of these 3 options, you have to select the correct one. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, how do ants talk? The options are touching their antenna, using their mouth, and as we talk. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is touching their antenna. So put a tick near touching their antenna. The second question is, why do the ants touch each other with their antenna? The 3 options are to fight, to talk, and to make them run away. So the correct option is second one, that is to talk. The next question is, some rooms are nurseries for soldiers, workers, and the young ones. The third one is correct, that is young ones. The next question is, who collects food? The queen ant, soldier ants, and worker ants. The correct one is worker ants. The last question is, who lives in the ant's home? The 3 options are butterfly, housefly, and green fly. The correct option is green fly.
Now see page number 57. Activity 2E is given on page number 57. જે આપણે કરવાના છીએ. Answer the questions. Question 1. Where do the soldiers live? Answer is, soldiers live in barracks. Now question 2. Who guards the grubs? Soldiers guard the grubs. Question 3. Why do ants keep other creatures in their home? Yes, children, tell me. Ants keep other creatures for many reasons. Some for pleasant smell, some are just pets and are playing like our cats and dogs, and other give sweet juice. Yes, children, તમે આન્સર્સ ચેક કરતા જાઓ છો ને? Now let's move ahead. Question 4. How long does the queen ant live? The queen ant lives for about 15 years. The last question, question 5. Are there pets in the ant hill? Yes, there are pets in the ant hill.
Now we will do activity 3, page number 58. First, I will read and you all listen it carefully. Okay? Fill in the blanks and complete the dialogue. Swapnil said, blank, does your grandma live? Swapnil said, blank, does your grandma live? Jai said, she lives in Himmatnagar. Swapnil said, blank takes care of her. Swapnil said, blank takes care of her. Jai said, my mummy. By the way, do you watch TV? Swapnil said, yes. Jai said, blank. Swapnil said, at 8 p.m. every day. Jai said, blank time. Swapnil said, it's 10:10 a.m. Jai said, let's move for school. Jai said, let's move for school. તો બાળમિત્રો, અહીં જે ખાલી જગ્યા છે તે તમારે વોટ, whom, when અને whereનો ઉપયોગ કરીને પૂરવાની છે. Swapnil said, where does your grandma live? Swapnil said, where does your grandma live? Jai said, she lives in Himmatnagar. Swapnil said, who takes care of her? Jai said, my mummy. By the way, do you watch TV? Swapnil said, yes. Jai said, when? Swapnil said, at 8 p.m. every day. Jai said, what time? Swapnil said, it's 10:10 a.m. Jai said, let's move for school.
Where does your grandma live?
She lives in Himmatnagar.
Who takes care of her?
My mummy. By the way, do you watch TV?
Yes.
When do you watch TV?
At 8 p.m. every day.
What is the time?
It's 10:10 a.m.
Let's move for school.
So, I hope that you all understood WH questions, right? It's time to move. So, children, we will meet again in the next class. Okay? Till then, see you. Bye.